This is my chicken run that I bought online for $250. All the metal frame pieces just snapped together, so it was a really easy setup. Once the frame was put together, you would just add fencing around the frame. The fencing is attached to the frame with zip ties. Then I added 24-inch chicken wire to the bottom to deter predators. Then I placed brick over top of the chicken wire for extra security. Here's the frame of the chicken coop when I was building it. I used this long pallet to determine the size of the chicken coop. First, I had to seal the gaps in the pallet with other scrap wood. Then I added legs to the pallet using 4x4 treated lumber. I added some angled brackets for additional stabilization. Then I started to build my wall frames. All the frame wood was salvaged from pallets as well. And I attached the end walls together because that's where the door is going to be. Here's footage of the coop once it was finished and attached to the chicken run. I made sure to secure the fencing with wire rather than zip ties. I store the chicken's food and snacks in a metal container so rats can't get into it. I initially made a pull string door, but I eventually upgraded to an automatic chicken door. For the roof, I just bought a tarp, and then I secured it with these clamps. This is only a temporary solution until I can figure out where to get some cheap shingles. This is my nesting box. The door is the worst part of my coop. I did not design it well and kind of just threw pieces together, but it does work good enough. I made my chicken roost so the 2x4s can be taken out and cleaned if need be. On the top of the coop, I left space for ventilation, and then I covered the gaps with chicken wire so predators cannot get in.